Hey, this will be a video chart on TRDY. I remember doing this one back during this current move here when it was really popular, and then things kind of fizzled out on it and it pulled back, but now things look like they could be coming back to life. There's nothing better than volume alert plays, and when you see volume all of a sudden spike like this, does that mean that we're going to be on a big run? I have no idea, but it is worth at least noting and keeping an eye on, because as the old saying goes, volume precedes price. So let's see if this volume bar leads to any sort of continued action. So I had a bunch of requests come in, and the main one was kind of where are the resistance levels at now that the price has started to show some movement. And so I'll go over that and then just map out some of the support levels too. So first, let's just start off at support. The key overall main support is going to be the trusty 200-day simple moving average, which is that orange line. And as you can see, it's been doing a good job of holding up. So for the risk versus reward players that decided to start to accumulate some shares down right around this area, they have now, it's paid off for them. So this is going to be the key overall level of support. Other levels of support are going to be, let me just draw it across right here at this level. Now, where am I getting this level from? Well, if we go back here through the history of the chart, you can see that this was a support level, support one more day here, and then when the price fell, it just kind of became a resistance. And now that the price is closed back above it, it has gone back to being a support. This level is valued at 0.0062. I'm going to leave that line skinny just because, yes, it is a support level, but at the same time, if it does fall, not the end of the world, because you still do have your other moving averages down here below you, specifically the 20-day and the 10-day simple moving average. So once again, 0.0061 is going to be the ideal level, or excuse me, 0.0062 will be the ideal support level, but if it does fall, you still do have these other moving averages down here. Now, in terms of resistances, really the key one right now is going to be, and like it showed today, this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. The price did break above it intraday, but because we're looking at things from the daily chart, we care about where the close was, and since it closed below, it is still going to be considered a level of resistance. Right now, it's valued at 0.0078, so that is going to be the key level of resistance. Now, if the price can get through there, really the next level of resistance isn't going to be up until right around this area up here, which is well above a penny. So as you can see, actually I take that back. The next one would be right here, still above a penny. This level is just simply based off a previous high, which is right here around 0.011. So that after the 50-day simple moving average, this will be the next key level of resistance the bulls need to get through. I'm not going to go any further than that, one step at a time, so we'll see what happens. So once more, in a quick nutshell, the 200-day is going to be the key overall support you want to see hold. Best case, you'd like to see 0.0062 hold, but if not, you still do have these moving averages down here. On the resistance side of things, the 50-day simple moving average is what you'd like to see fall sooner than later. But then after that, you have this resistance level, and from that point, I'm sure I'll be back if the price can get above here and update things. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was TRDY. Thanks for listening.